Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jun. Today, I'm making one of my favorite vegan meals of all time, chickpea and kale curry. I made similar chickpea curry in my Veganuary recipe video, but this time, it's going to be more in-depth so you'll know how to make any curry perfectly. So this curry is so easy and simple to make and super healthy and flavorful. Alright, let's get right in. So here are the ingredients. I'm making about 3 servings. I have 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. They're full of protein. Kale. This thing is among the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, with lots of vitamins and antioxidants. If you're looking for the tastiest kale recipe, check this video out. I've got 1 large onion. This is essential when making curry. You can use yellow or red, but I like the flavor of red onion better. I've got a carrot. This is optional. It's just gonna add some sweetness to the curry. For this curry, I'm using only 3 spices: ground turmeric, ground cumin, and ground coriander. These are the 3 most basic spices for Indian curry. The good news is, the ratio of those spices for the recipe is 1 to 1 to 1. Super easy. Or you can experiment with red, yellow, or green curry paste. Have fun with it. I've got some bay leaves for more flavor. These are optional. I've got some garlic, optional ginger, and tomato paste. This is gonna add some richness. Oh, by the way, please ignore the almonds. I just didn't want to use this footage. And I'm gonna use some whole dried chili to spice it up. Finally, I'm using some vegetable broth and unsweetened full-fat coconut milk. This is gonna make the curry creamy and mild and make it more of a Thai-style curry, and optional cilantro for garnish. Alright, let's get cooking. First, I'm gonna peel some garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so I'm using about 4 cloves. I shake them hard in a container to easily peel them, crush the garlic with a knife, and mince it. Next, I'm going to thinly slice the red onion. You can also dice it if you want. It's gonna speed up the cooking process, but for me there is something satisfying about sauteing sliced onion. Ginger. If you use a carrot, cut it into small pieces, or dice it. Grab the kale, and you want to remove the big stems. Just grab the end of the stem with one hand, and grab the bottom of the leaf with the other, and just push. The leaf will just come off, just like that, and just roughly chop into smaller pieces. Now, everything is ready. First, I'm gonna start by making the base for the curry. Get a pot. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. Get the pot on medium-low heat. Dump all the onion, ginger, garlic, some whole dried chili to spice it up. And I'm gonna caramelize the onion. Make sure you frequently stir it. This is extremely important when making curry. It takes around 15 minutes. As the onion cooks, it's gonna reduce in size, and that's when it releases the sweetness and the rich umami. Now, after about 15 minutes, the onion is beautifully caramelized. This is smelling so good. So that is the base for the curry. This is what's gonna make the curry so fragrant and flavorful. I'm gonna add the carrot first because it's a firm vegetable. After a few minutes, add the chickpeas and kale, and all the spices. A touch of tomato paste for some richness. And finally, some bay leaves for the extra layer of flavor. Generously season with sea salt and mix well. And cook until fragrant. Then just enough vegetable broth to cover everything. And deglaze the pot. Let it simmer until the kale cooks through. You still want that crunchy texture of it. Don't cook for too long, also because the chickpeas will be mushy. They don't have to be cooked any longer because they're already cooked. So adjust your cooking time depending on the vegetables you have. When the broth is reduced enough, add some full-fat coconut milk and mix thoroughly. Look how creamy that is. This is smelling incredible. The curry is done. It's time to serve. You can serve it with some rice or naan, whichever you prefer. Garnish with some chili and fresh cilantro. Here you have the tastiest chickpea and kale curry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like. and subscribe to my channel for more delicious vegan recipes.